TikTok is the platform that everyone's talking about. It's fast, it's frantic, it's fun, or so people tell me. If I'm completely honest, I've installed the TikTok app about 5 times now, only to give it a few hours before uninstalling it and vowing to never use it again. But this time, it's different. This time I've set my account up and I'm ready to take on the TikTok challenge, because there's money to be made in TikTok, and in this video I'm going to explain how. Now, before I jump into the exact ways that people are making money through TikTok, let me explain a few things that will help you get started and give you the biggest chance of success. It's only a short video, so stay tuned to the end because there's an important workaround that you will need to know if you're going to make some money on TikTok. Now, TikTok is a short video platform designed for mobile use, which is the most popular way we consume video. Its growth was pretty rapid, and before it was known as TikTok, it grew to 100 million users in its first year. In 2017, the owners bought another company called Musical.ly, a lip-sync video platform, and that is how TikTok was born. TikTok's success has been pretty amazing, as they now have 1 billion users on their platform, mainly of the younger generation, but it's become more widely used, hence why an old gipper like me is getting started on it too. Now, Jennifer Lopez doesn't really need to watch my channel and learn how to make money. She's done okay for herself already. But to demonstrate the power of TikTok, Jennifer Lopez posted the exact same video on Twitter and TikTok. Now, bear in mind that she'd amassed 45 million followers on Twitter and 5 million followers on TikTok. So you'd expect better results on Twitter, right? Well, the video on Twitter got less than 2 million views. The video on TikTok got 160 million views and blew Twitter out the water. But let's face it, I'm not Jennifer Lopez, and if you've ever seen me after 9 pints of beer, you'll know that I also cannot dance to save my life. So that makes me wonder, is there a place for me and maybe you on TikTok? Isn't it all dancing and lip-syncing music? Well, music and comedy videos are the main content that TikTokers are producing. If you check out this list from Social Blade, you can see the top followed accounts, and then go and look at the content that they're producing. As you can see, there are over 70 people that have 20 million followers and more. That's pretty epic. But there are more and more people using TikTok in different ways. The beauty of it is how easy it is to publish on TikTok. It's all vertical format, mobile phone footage. You can edit your videos in TikTok and add some nice effects, or you can just use your favourite video editor on your phone. You can create from any location in the world, and there's really no other cost other than just having a phone. As you can see, anyone can get started on TikTok, and here's why maybe you should consider it too, with some of the ways to make money on TikTok. First up is the Creator Fund. Where there's a large audience, there's usually money, and brands are paying hundreds of thousands of dollars to run hashtag challenges and display adverts on the TikTok platform. They realise the huge advertising potential that TikTok offers, especially when marketing to the younger generations. Now, most of this money is going into TikTok itself, but they also want to keep their creators sweet, as any social platform lives and dies by its creators. So they formed what they called the Creator Fund, a pot of cash that will be distributed to people who are accepted into that scheme. It's expected to pay out over $200 million in the next 3 years. Now, before you get too excited, yes, you're going to have to apply to be in it. And also, there's some qualification criteria. It's limited to certain countries, and you need at least 10,000 followers. Details of the Creator Fund are actually quite vague at the moment, and my gut feeling is that it's there to keep the big names from jumping to other platforms. So for the likes of me and you, then maybe it's not the best option yet to make money on TikTok, but one day it could be a nice little earner for you. Number 2 is merch. TikTok is great for building a brand that you are the centre point of. As part of that, there may be certain things that you become known for and are recognised for, which would look great on a hoodie, a laptop sticker, or even a coffee cup. Creating your own merch is a surprisingly easy way to make money on any platform. Now, TikTok did announce that they're integrating with Teespring, so people can monetize through merch automatically, but that isn't fully pushed out yet. So the alternative is to link out to an external merch provider. All you need to do is go to a site like Redbubble and create an account to sell your own merchandise. It's all free, and there are tons of other sites just like this. Now, use your favourite graphics editor, such as Canva, which you can get for free, and design something that relates to you. If you're not a designer, then don't worry, it doesn't have to be complicated. You could just use text, or you can use the inbuilt effects that Canva offers as well. You then upload that design to Redbubble and choose what products you want to sell it on. All the rest is taken care of for you. All you do now is send people to your shop in your profile, and if they buy, you get a profit and the rest is sorted. But stay tuned to the end, because there is something that you do need to do here. Because TikTok is just like Instagram in that it limits you to a single website link, which restricts you a little. And I'm going to show you how to work around this, so keep watching. Number 3 is sponsorship. Okay, take the big celebrity names out of that top 100 TikTokers list, and you're left with some names that some of you may not be familiar with, such as Addison Rae, Charlie D'Amelio, Josh Richards, Spencer X, all of whom have made reportedly over $1 million through growing their TikTok channels. And fair play to them. This is what I love about social media. It's full of opportunity. The biggest way to earn at the moment is through sponsorship, where brands reach out and they'll pay you to promote or be the face of certain products. And this could be cosmetics, clothing, energy drinks. Now these are going to be big money one-off deals for the big guns for the most part. But something I have learned from creating content on YouTube is to never rule anything out. Even my teeny tiny small humble YouTube channel gets emails from some pretty impressive software companies offering me deals to work with them and to demonstrate their products. And whilst that may be just about the geekiest thing I've ever said in my life, it's still pretty cool. TikTok will be similar, especially if you become recognised for a specific niche that has a very targeted following. First up, you aren't going to get these from day one, so you need to put the work in and create an engaged following for your channel. Start building up those key metrics of followers, likes, number of views. Register yourself on the Creators Marketplace, which allows companies to connect with you and collaborate, but also make sure that you've got some way of contacting you in your profile. More on that in a moment. It's widely reported that a lot of sponsored posts are paying around 1 or 2 cents per view. Now that may sound like a pittance, but TikTok videos can generate big viewing numbers. So if you can get 100,000 views on your video, that could pocket you $1,000 or $2,000. But the main takeaway here is to remember that unless you get started, you won't make anything. Number 4 is consulting. Now make no mistake, people are making money with TikTok without being on the platform too. There are more and more people showing up on the online freelance platforms such as Fiverr and Upwork that earn money using their experience, expertise with TikTok. Growth experts, video editors, even actors and dancers if you need to hire one. So as you grow your channel, think about all the different components that are involved and how you can help people and companies with their own TikTok journey too. Check out these listings that are making a small fortune to do shout outs for people on TikTok. Number 5 is cross promotion. Now I mentioned earlier that I'm starting on TikTok myself. Now I create content that shows legit ways to make money without any of that fake guru crap. I teach digital marketing skills that anyone can learn. No dancing, no lip syncing, and I certainly won't be showing off my dad bod. So what's the main driver for me to get started on TikTok, and how can this help you? Well, there's actually 3 reasons that I'm going to quickly go through. First of all, over the last 6 months, I've watched a few people that I follow and respect blow up their YouTube channels. And I mean, in one case, they went from 2,000 subscribers up to 60,000, and it's changed their life. They use TikTok heavily to drive people to their YouTube channel by using the links in their profile and creating short videos that were like trailers for their YouTube content. I can no longer ignore these results because growing my YouTube channel is my biggest priority this year. Secondly, there are now more and more niches that are growing on TikTok. So whatever your speciality is, whether it's graphic design, bullet journals, DIY, or even witchcraft, there are more channels and followers looking for non-dance content. Thirdly, it's quick to create TikTok content, but there are also other platforms that are trying to dominate the same market. YouTube has launched its Shorts features, Instagram has Reels, and so what I intend to do is repurpose the content across all of the platforms, then come back here and tell you which one is working best. So if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, now's the time. So you can see how TikTok can be a great way to feed into your other platforms or website to cross-promote your business. Now let's talk about my favourite business model, no matter what platform you use, and why it's perfect for anyone starting up and trying to make some money on TikTok, and that is affiliate marketing. I talk a lot about affiliate marketing on my channel, and the reason being, I love it. It's the triple win for me, and let me explain what I mean. Affiliate marketing is where you promote a product or service using your special affiliate web link. If someone clicks on that link and buys the product, then you get a commission. For me, the key to this is promoting products that you love yourself, as you understand why people need them and you build a reputation and trust by recommending good, solid products. I've made some pretty big sales over the last 12 months via my blog and my YouTube channel, and it's made a huge difference to me and my family. And that's the beauty of it, the triple win. You see, everyone benefits. I make a commission, the vendor gets a new customer and a sale, and the buyer gets help and information they need when looking for a product that's going to benefit them. We all win. So hopefully that's given you a good idea of some of the ways that you can make money on TikTok. But TikTok does have one big downside though when it comes to some of these monetization strategies, and let me explain how you can work around it. So unlike blogs, YouTube and platforms like Facebook where I can post my link to multiple places, with TikTok I only have one place on my profile, like I can add a link. So if I create a video about one product and then a new video about something else, then I can't link to both at the same time. Instagram's got the exact same issue. So let me show you what I do to get around this. I actually use a mobile landing page, which allows you to really easily build a website with links to your affiliate products, your other social media platforms, your email list, YouTube videos. You can add messenger links if you're trying to encourage a conversation. With some of these tools, you can even add checkout pages and sell your products directly from this page. Depending on which one you use, there are tons of options, and that makes that one link that you can use in TikTok be much more versatile. You don't have to worry about creating complicated websites or paying huge sums of money. They're really easy to set these up. Now in my case, I've used an app called TapLink, which I bought as a one-off lifetime deal for around $50 instead of paying for a monthly subscription elsewhere. And I'm going to leave a link in the description if you want to go and check it out yourself, but there are other alternatives out there. As you can see, there are many ways to make money on TikTok, and as the platform grows, there'll be more new and exciting ways introduced too. And when they do, I'll make sure that I tell you all about them. So make sure you subscribe, and in the meantime, watch the video on screen now to learn more about affiliate marketing and making money online. I'll see you next time.